Hi, I'm Grace with Garmin Product Support. Today, I'm going to show you how to change the buckle on a VívoSmart 3 or vívosport. For this replacement, you're going to need your Garmin buckle replacement kit, which can be found at garmin.com. This kit will include the Garmin buckle replacement tool, replacement buckle, buckle tongue, and spring bar. The first step is to remove any extra pieces from the old buckle. Next, insert the spring bar into the band with the buckle tongue. Next, snap the ends of the replacement buckle into the ends of the spring bar with the Garmin triangle facing up and the buckle tongue resting in the groove on the buckle. And there you have it. You've replaced the buckle on your watch. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, go to support.garmin.com.